Welcome viewers. On behalf of UX Clinic, I would like to thank all the members of UX family for showing deep interest and involvement from time to time.
AKS Clinic for a skin, laser and hair transplant has been conducting various procedures for aesthetics transformation. Dr. Akhilendra Singh has proved his expertise in curing many wrong hair transplant cases. He is an internationally trained surgeon with a great artistic vision for natural-looking hair transplant.
It is indeed great honor to serve you all along with eminent personalities of Hindi cinema who have come all the way from distant places at UX Clinic Gurgaon for consultation and aesthetic transformation.
It is the magic of his performance that film actors from Indian cinema come here at AKS Clinic Gurgaon for their hair transplant.
This time we had an opportunity to serve a prominent Bollywood personality, Mr. Rajendra Gupta.
In the flow of Indian celebrities, a legendary figure from Hindi cinema and television industry, Mr. Rajendra Gupta, came here for his hair transplant.
Mr. Rajendra Gupta is not only an elderly person but is also undergoing treatment for high blood pressure. He wanted hair density in mid-scalp and vertex so that his scalp is not visible in top-angle shots.
In his first visit, Dr. Akhilendra Singh did not find him fit for hair transplant because of high blood pressure. Mr. Gupta was then advised to consult his family physician and bring down the blood pressure to normal. In the second visit, Mr. Gupta was rechecked and finally, he declared him fit for his hair transplant. His hair transplant procedure was scheduled from 10 onwards. Mr. Gupta had enough time in hand, so after completion of basic formalities, he passed his time with AKS staff and remembered his past work contribution to the entertainment industry. Rajendra Gupta has acted in numerous films and television series. Out of the lot, few gave him immense popularity. He recollected and got lost in his old memories.
चंद्रकांता बहुत पसंद किया गया था मेरा रोल.
बद्रीनाथ, सारा मामला राजनीति का है और राजनीति में शतरंज की चाल की तरह 3 चाल आगे की सोच के चलना पड़ता है.
पॉपुलैरिटी उसी तरह से मुझे एक बार बहुत अच्छा उसमें अवार्ड भी मिला था. मुझे एक सीरियल था, सोनी टेलीविजन पे आता था, साया, उसमें बहुत पॉपुलैरिटी मुझे मिली.
इतनी मुश्किल से एक अच्छा लड़का हाथ लगा है और तू खानदान का नाम डुबोने में लगी.
अनिल शर्मा जी ने मुझे एक ऐसा रोल दिया अपने में जिसके अंदर एक भुलक्कड़ सरदार जी हैं. नाम ही उनका भुल्लर है, भूलते रहते हैं हर बात को. बहुत मजा आया था करने में. बहुत.
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी. वो जी हम आपको इनवाइट करने आए हैं.
किस लिए?
वो मेरे पुत्र का ब्याह है जी, उसमें आना है.
तो दूसरा ब्याह कर रहे हैं?
बाबूजी, मेरा 6 साल का बेटा है, आप हमेशा भूल जाते हो.
तो इसे पॉपुलैरिटी का जो और एक उससे आगे का मैं याद.
तुम जो कह रहे हो वही होगा, मगर मुखिया जी अब कौन आकर मगर आई.
कुछ भी, किसी के साथ घर से भाग जाओ, कोई ना मिले तो अकेले भाग जाओ.
चलो यार, बहुत बेइज्जती हो गई. आ गई बात.
At the end, he said how he came to AKS Clinic at Gurgaon.
अखिलेंद्र से करवाया जिन्होंने, उन्होंने अपने रिजल्ट बताया, काफ़ी संतुष्ट नज़र आए. तो मैंने कहा चलिए, डॉक्टर साहब से मेरी बात भी हुई, मुलाकात हुई.
As you all know, we are amongst the pioneer in Gurgaon, regularly rendering our services of hair transplant and other hair treatment, along with skin and laser treatment. Your call is important to us, so please feel free to call us anytime or drop us a mail at clinicux@gmail.com. I assure you that you will get a reply within 24 hours. Thank you.